Hey kindergartners, we are in the last month of school. So usually when we're in this last month of school, we use this time to review things we've learned throughout the year. So we're going to start reviewing our clock. You should have gotten this worksheet in your packet. You'll need to cut around the clock, cut out your minute hand, your hour hand, and then you should have gotten one of these so that you can put things in the middle. You probably will need to ask your parents for help for that part. Before my video, I went ahead and did mine. Remember, when our minute hand or our long hand is pointing to the 12, that means o'clock. So this is 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, back to 12 o'clock. When we write o'clock, remember, we write it as 8 o'clock. When our minute hand or our long hand is pointed to the 6, that is 30. So 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. Remember, when you're drawing your 30s, it's not quite 12 o'clock and it's not quite 1 o'clock. It's in the middle. So it's 12:30. And when we write 30s, so for example, this is 2:30, we write 2:30. So keep your clock handy. For the first worksheet, you'll need the one with the turtles at the top. It says half-hour matchup. And then you will also need a pen or a pencil or a marker. I'm going to use a purple pen. I see this time on my clock, so I'm going to try to match it on this clock. So it looks like my small hand is between the 8 and the 7. And my minute hand or my long hand is on the 6. So we know that if it's on the 6, it is 30. And it's not quite 7. It's a little bit past 7 and not quite 8. So we know that this is 7:30. So this time is 7:30. So let's try to find 7:30. 7:30. So you're going to draw a line from this clock to 7:30. All right, let's do this one. Remember, time does not go backwards, so we got to go all the way around. We have to get our hour hand or our shorter hand between the 5 and the 6. All right, it's between the 5 and the 6. It's past the 5, but not quite 6 yet, so what time does that mean? It's 5:30. Let's see. Oh, 5:30. We'll do one more together. It looks like our hour hand or our short hand is between the 1 and the 2. And our minute hand or our long hand stayed on our 6. So this is, it's past 1, but not quite 2. So it's 1:30. Oh, 1:30. All right, so for the rest of this worksheet, all you need to do is match up your times on here and try to match up which one goes with which.